Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is a Hazel, and today we are diving into how to fix cannot send videos and photos on Telegram without any delay. Let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that the file you are sending on Telegram does not exceed the file size. If so, you have to make sure that the file you are going to send is in the range of the file size. After that, the second step, what you can do is turn on aeroplane mode for 10 to 20 seconds and again turn it off after 10 to 20 seconds. Then, the third step, what you can do is switch your Wi Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi Fi. It's better to use Wi Fi while sending the photos and videos over mobile data. And the fourth step, what you can do is go to the Play Store, search for Telegram, and search for any updates available. If any updates are available, make sure to update it first. And the fourth step, what you can do is go to the settings, scroll down to apps, tap on manage apps. Here, search for Telegram. Okay, so here tap on clear data, clear all cache, and clear all data. Okay, so after that, check for permissions as well. Allow all the permissions. So this will help you to fix your problem. If not, the last step what you can do is you can uninstall the Telegram application and reinstall it. Here I'm not doing it, but you can uninstall it and reinstall it from the Play Store. And you can also simply remove all the background apps that are running and only use Telegram. This could also help you fix your problem. So make sure to remove all the background apps. And another method what you can do is you can terminate the Telegram on other phones and make sure that you are only using in this phone. So this will help you out to fix your problem. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for today and I'll see you in the next one.